Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best Bluetooth adapter for car stereo you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Nulaxy Wireless In-Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Nulaxy KM28 Bluetooth FM transmitter is a premium pick for those adding Bluetooth to a car without an auxiliary audio port. This device plugs into your accessory port and then emits a shortwave FM frequency to take over an unused FM frequency band. Then all you have to do is turn your radio to the right channel and you have your own private radio station in your car. The device looks sleek in your car as it has a sleek-looking control panel attached to the end of its sturdy gooseneck stand. No wires or cables are required for the setup. The only downside to its cable-free design is if your car's accessory port is hidden in the center console. The Nulaxy KM28 connects quickly to audio sources via Bluetooth 3.0, which you can use to easily stream music or receive phone calls thanks to a built-in microphone. The device also allows you to play audio via one of its other built-in ports, including 0.3, 5mm, USB, and South Dakota card. The KM28 also has two separate USB ports specifically for charging devices. One of them is QC 3.0 compatible. When you are playing from any of the sources, besides the 1.8-inch TFT display shows the song information and a neck display. The display can also be used to display the phone number of incoming calls or to read your car's battery voltage. Its controls cluster offers full playback controls, including volume, play pause, and track skipping. You can also change playback modes from repeat to random and cycle between several EC presets. Pros: plays audio from Bluetooth. Full playback controls. 1.8-inch display. 2 USB charge-out ports. Cons: FM transmission. Number 2. IMDEN Bluetooth 5.0 FM transmitter for car. Taking the third spot is the IMDEN Bluetooth FM transmitter for cars, a wireless Bluetooth radio adapter and music player that comes with 2 USB charging ports and features hands-free calling. It's affordable, easy to use, and excellent overall. Its charging efficiency alone should make you want to buy this product, especially with its quick charging capabilities and the fact that it's also compatible with Type-C plugs. It's also compatible with all types of devices such as Android and iPhone smartphones. As for the music playing and call taking, you're sure to enjoy clear and high-quality sounds with noise reduction capabilities. To top it all off, it's complete with all the necessary security and safety features that you can ever ask for. Switch off the FM transmitter, extended pressing another tune key for 5 minutes, it is going to turn off the FM and works keep charging function. Broad compatibility. This wireless adapter works with compatible devices like iPhone, iPad, iPod, tablet, smartphones. You can transfer audio in these devices to car audio via 3.5mm audio cable. Confirm TF Micro South Dakota card from FAT format Around Pros. Amazon's choice product. CVC noise suppression. Technology high fidelity noise. 80% charging efficiency. Cons: mediocre sound quality. Number 3. Upgraded version, Bluetooth FM transmitter, Sumind. Your second best bet lies with the Sumind wireless Bluetooth radio adapter, an upgraded Bluetooth FM transmitter that comes as a complete hands-free car kit with a large 1.7-inch LCD display screen. It also features Smart 2.4a dual USB ports, an input and output for your O cord, and a TF card MP3 player, so you don't have to worry about anything else. It connects seamlessly to both Android and iPhone devices and has a fast charging capability. Moreover, it makes use of a 270-degree gooseneck so that you can enjoy an optimal viewing comfort from the LCD screen. It's also engineered with noise and interference cancellation technology, so you can enjoy crystal clear music at all times. Control the volume and move to the next and previous songs. A 3.5mm metal audio adapter is included to connect to your car's radio. To answer and end a phone call, all that is required is to push a button. You can also reject a call if you keep the button pressed. It allows two phones to be paired. You can answer phone calls on both of them just by pressing a button to switch between them. Pros: Amazon's choice product. 7-inch display screen. 270-degree gooseneck. Enhanced and stable data rate. Cons: low volume. Number 4. Nulaxy Bluetooth FM transmitter for car, upgraded. The updated Nulaxy KM19 is an inexpensive, hands-free, Bluetooth car audio adapter receiver. This KM19 version has more play mode features and a voltmeter for your driving safety. You can play your music through the TF card, USB disc, Bluetooth, or O cable. This quick-charging Bluetooth car adapter is an FM transmitter type that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and connects your phone via Bluetooth with your radio signal and frequency. This adapter has a large 1.44-inch screen that displays incoming phone calls, music selections, and your car's battery voltage. If your voltmeter reads between 12.8V and 12.2V when your car is shut off, you can rest assured your battery is fine. If it reads below 12V, it is time to replace your battery. This FM transmitter is also compatible with most market devices including Apple, Xiaomi, Sony, Samsung, and Oppo. The downside is that this Nulaxy KM19 Bluetooth car adapter must be plugged in and only supports one phone at a time. It has some sound distortion, which is common to FM transmitter car audio adapters. It may also be more difficult to get a strong FM signal frequency in and around city areas, which is typical of FM transmitter adapters. Number 5. Upgraded version, V5.0 Bluetooth FM transmitter for car. The Kryakr FM transmitter is one of the least intrusive Bluetooth adapters for your car by a wide margin. If your car doesn't have an auxiliary cable and you find a giant LCD screen sticking out from your accessory port to be an eyesore, then this Kryakr FM transmitter should be your go-to pick. Its minimalist display only shows the current FM frequency it is tuned to, which you can change by pressing the channel button its right side. The two buttons on its left are for skipping tracks. Whenever you turn it on, it will automatically initiate pairing mode, and if you've paired your phone with it before, it will automatically connect. This simple interface makes it a breeze to integrate into your regular commute. The only fiddling you may have to do is if you drive into the frequency of a signal that was previously clear. In that case, it's fairly quick to find a new radio frequency to broadcast your phone's audio from. The sound is decent, which is as good as it gets when you are technically playing it over the radio. The volume is sufficiently loud, but you should always turn it up to near max on your source device to improve this. The Kryakr FM transmitter has two USB ports, one 3.1A and one 2.4A. One of them can also be used to stream .mp3.wma.wav.flac files from a flash drive. It has a built-in microphone, making it easy to take hands-free calls. The microphone is somewhat weak, but it gets the job done. Sure, if you went with one of the FM transmitters with a gooseneck stand you might get slightly clearer calls, but if you want an inconspicuous solution for Bluetooth playback in your car, then it doesn't get more low profile than this. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.